Some drivers say every direct injection engine eventually suffers from carbon buildup. Is this a guaranteed problem or outdated internet wisdom? Let's break it down. The myth says if your engine has direct injection, your intake valves will get clogged. No exceptions, no escape. Fact 1. Early direct injection engines did have major buildup issues. When DI engines first hit the US market, carbon buildup was real. Engines like the early Volkswagen 2.0 TFSI or BMW's N54 and N55 could get thick deposits as early as 25 to 30,000 miles. Real examples: Volkswagen 2.0 TFSI from 2005 to 2011, walnut blasting every 30 to 60,000, BMW N54 and N55, rough idle, loss of power, misfires. Mazda DISI turbo, heavy deposits even under 5,000 miles. Audi 3.2 FSI and 4.2 FSI, extremely common valve cleaning. Fact 2. Modern DI engines have redesigned PCV systems and cleaner oil control. The biggest cause of buildup wasn't the direct injection itself, it was bad PCV system design, poor oil control rings, and heavy blow-by. Modern engines fix these issues. Examples of improvements: better PCV routing reduces oil vapor entering intake. Updated valve cover baffles. Modern low-volatility oils. Improved piston ring design reduces blow-by. Real engines that improved: GM 2.0T, LTG to LSY, far fewer buildup complaints. Ford EcoBoost Gen 2, significantly cleaner. Mazda Skyactiv G, better PCV and ring design. Fact 3. Many modern engines use dual injection. They wash their valves clean. The ultimate fix is dual injection, using both port and direct injectors. The port injectors spray fuel over the valves and literally wash them clean. Real-world engines with dual injection: Toyota Dynamic Force 2.5 in RAV4, Camry Highlander. Lexus 3.5 V6. Hyundai Kia SmartStream 2.5. Subaru FA24. Ford 3.5 EcoBoost Gen 3. These engines show minimal carbon buildup even past 100 to 150,000 miles. Fact 4. Driving habits matter more than the fuel system. Many engines that get carbon do so because of how they're driven, not because of the injection type. Real reasons for buildup: short trips, engine never reaches temp, excessive idling, cheap oil with high volatility, clogged PCV valve, bad catch can installation, low-octane fuel in turbo engines. Mechanics see this every day. A highway-driven DI engine stays clean. A short trip suburban car, even port injection, can still get deposits. Fact 5. Preventing buildup today is easy and cheap. Most modern direct injection engines don't need walnut blasting at all. Basic maintenance prevents almost all carbon. What actually works: use high-quality synthetic oil. Avoid 100% short trips. Keep PCV system working properly. Occasional long highway drive. On dual injection engines, nothing special needed. Unnecessary: magic additives, snake oil sprays, engine cleaners that remove carbon instantly. So no, carbon buildup is not guaranteed on every direct injection engine. Yes, early DI engines had problems, but modern engines, especially dual injection designs, stay clean for hundreds of thousands of miles. This myth is officially busted.